What's in the meat, Margaret?
Ground beef. What's the stuff called? Onion soup mix. And then let me talk. I squish it down and you're just doing it, and then it becomes a patty. And it becomes a patty like this. Now go put it over on the plate. And then I will take it, put it on the saran wrap, but once that gets full, I'll put it on the plate. You can put it on anything, but I just put it on the plate. For long because we have a little bit left. I might need some more, Margaret. This one didn't come out that well. Or you need preferably a little bit more. No, that's enough. That's a nice patty. Okay. No, don't! Actually, I want you to... No, wait. Yep. There. Now we can do a few more. And then we freeze our patties. And then when you're sick and tired, and you don't want to make dinner, you can go to the freezer and get some. And then just thaw them out for a little bit and put them on the stove and then cook them. And then you can have hamburgers for supper and lunch or patties. Right? Mm-hmm. But now where? Just stack them? Mm-hmm.